This is our top rod bracket, and this attaches to the front of any of our top plates with the exception of the red Komodo top mount. This attaches by 2/4-20 screws to the front here, and there are locating pins to keep this locked in place. Previously, we've had our MFRB attached to the front of our handle here, and that gives you focus rods and a sideways rod for adding a viewfinder system. But this, combined with our single rod clamp, you can now have top rods and also a sideways 15mm rod. Unlock the handle, adjust the position so your rod for your viewfinder can travel over the top rods here. So in this configuration, the C400 monitor is on our twist mount arm set here. On the 15mm rods, we can adjust this position separately from the camera. We can still, of course, adjust the NATO clamp here. And now we can remove our top handle and still have our monitor installed. The top rod bracket is available now at mid49.com.